Today we're going to make the very cool paper airplane. It's called the Royale Fighter. Now let's start out. First, fold this paper in half. Unfold the paper and then fold this diagonally for two sides. I'm going to move my hand a little bit. And then unfold. And then we're going to turn the paper over. Then we have to go close and we're going to put this on this line crease. You see this line crease on the point. And then unfold and flip the paper over. And this is a trick fold. Again, then do this. And you're going to press down the paper in. And then I will fold this on this because, yeah, we have to make this stabilizer. We have to make this stabilizers to make. Then we have to make this fold. And then, and then going to fold the paper like this. And turn the paper over. We're going to preference this one. You see this line? Oh, okay, I can't see this line. Well, you can see this line is right over here. Going to do this. To make this, and then to make it even, we'll turn the paper over and fold this paper in half, and then we're going to make it even with this beside that. But there's still more steps, a few, and then make this. Oh my goodness. Okay, and do this. Okay, and open the paper and then put it back. And this is how you do. And then you put the paper right here. This is going to be not really a trick fold actually. It's just a hard paper airplane, guys. And fold this in the crease. You see the pocket here? You see the pocket? You see the pocket? You go in there. Then, okay. Then go in this pocket. So it can stay nice. Okay, turn the paper over. And then you're going to bend fold this. You're going to bend fold this with your fingers. And then just fold this. Because this is a jet, guys. This is a jet. Okay. Wait a minute. I did something wrong. I did something wrong, guys. I did something wrong. I did something wrong, guys. Okay, this one is wrong. You have to go all the way right here. We are so bad at this. Okay. Hold on, this is too difficult. Guys, be patient, guys. Be patient on this paper airplane. Okay. And then make the fold again. Do the fold. Oh no! Let's get this harder. There, that's hard. Okay. You can just redo my watch video. Okay, and then fold again. Oh, you can see this one. You see this crease? You can fold easier if you can redo it. Then do that. No. Why this kept doing something? Come on. Come on, buddy, boy. We have this, but there's some more steps to do. A few more steps. Go feed. We have to make this even. So and then going to fold this like that. Like it's so, okay, it's so complicated fold. A complicated fold, but be patient, guys. Be patient, this thing's hard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There, that fold is hard. Okay, you repeat the example. But there's like going to be, but there's one more step to go because we are going to make these stabilizers. No, I don't like this. Why this kept doing something that, fine, I'll just do this. There, that's so much better. And then do this, and then you can put this on this, see right there, and just do this. Well, we are going to make the elevators to fly it up. And here you go, this is a Royal Fighter. I think, we have to make this one just a little bit. Just a little bit. I think you have to make this more like this. The more you can do it, the more. Okay. Okay, you had that. And then done. This is a Roy powder. Look how it flies, guys. I'm going to go out and try, buddy. I'm going to do it. And this is how you fly it.